Hi everyone, so this is just a really short video to just give you a little update on some projects that I've already put videos up for. So this was making the red onion dyed paper. So this is the colour that's come out, and I actually really like that, so that is cool. And then you probably saw the other video that I did, which was the blueberry dye, in which the blueberries didn't really take much effect. So we added some ink, or I added some ink. And this is what I've ended up with. A kind of almost like, it's like a bluey grey, I suppose. But I quite like it. It's almost got like a slightly pinky tinge under there as well. Sort of pinky, lilac-y, bluey, hard to describe kind of paper colour. But yeah, I quite like that. And that was the one we did with the spray. So yeah, like it. So that was definitely saved. Oh, sorry, I've pressed on the thing. Hopefully that's not made it too shaky. The other thing I just wanted to show you real quick was the finished collage that I did. The last you saw of it, it was not cut off. So this is what it looks like now. So we've got the edges all cut off now. And so it's all done. Now, I do have some areas that I had to fix a little bit with some extra glue, but I need to put some Mod Podge over that edge there and this edge down here, because I don't think I've got it properly. So I will do that. As you can see, when you Mod Podge something, it does curl slightly. You can fix that by just leaving it this way up and putting something heavy on top of it. And it usually will unspring. So that is that. That's what I was working on with you last. So that's the finished object with that. And I just wanted to show you something quickly that I changed my mind about. In my previous walkthrough, you will have seen the walkthrough of this journal. I had a page on there that was really busy, and I kind of felt like I quite liked it. The more I thought about it, I kind of thought it really was too busy. So what I've done, this is still drying, so that's why my fingers are a bit dirty, because I've been working with this antique paste, this stuff. And Pent Art Antique Paste. So what I've done is, it's still drying, so I'm going to leave it for a bit, is just gone over all around the outside in just a solid gold. Now you can still see some of the design through it, and I don't mind that, but I just feel like with it like that, this design is actually going to show up in a better way, and it won't be quite as busy. So that's where we are with that. I'm going to leave that to dry, because that'll take a little while to just completely dry out. So that's my latest projects that I've been working on. Hopefully you have enjoyed that little update. It's a really short video. I'm just gonna start working on something new, because I've got an idea, and I'll probably do one and see how it goes, and then do a video of how I did it. Or I might just do a video, and if it all goes terribly wrong, you'll see how not to do something. So thanks ever so much for watching. If you wouldn't mind giving the video a thumbs up and doing a like and a follow, subscribe, all of that good stuff, that would really help my channel. So thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.